What you doing, boy? Come on. Roosting on the side of that thing. Hello, Dorothy, my love. He's funny. These little bitty babies. They're so sweet. Oh, God, don't make me up. Oh, Father. Can you push something up against this gate? I don't guess you need to. Dorothy.
Sir? I didn't hear you. I was paying attention to what I was doing.
Hello, Dorothy, my love. Where is he at? Making all that noise at. Hello, loves. How's my babies? How's my babies? Oh, did you hear it? Whistle at the end?
Huh?
He did his little thing and then he whistled. Boy, they do not like to be caught. Hello, Dorothy. Listen to him over there. Are you trying to show off or something? Dorothy. Dorothy. What you doing over there, pretty girl? My little Dorothy mama, she's daddy's girl. Dorothy! Come give daddy some love, Dorothy. Come here, pretty girl. Where's my rooster at? Where's my rooster at? Where you at? There he's sitting over there. He's so sweet, Mom. He looks like a little roly-poly. Hello, little fella. Not a billy goat. Hello, Dorothy, my love. How's my girl? Hi, Daddy, Dorothy. You glad to have your babies over at Dorothy that loves you so much? She said, yeah, they're my babies now. Yeah, he said they're my babies, and they want to get on Mama's back. Sometimes she has 5 or 6 of them on her back at one time. Don't peck her. Them little jokers are getting lots of feathers, ain't they?
Sir?
So they're getting lots of feathers.
They are.
My loves. They're so sweet. Hello, little barred rock love. Hello, Dorothy, my sweetheart. Hi, Dorothy. Hi, Daddy's baby. You sitting over in the corner of your babies. Are you loving your babies? They love Mama. Yeah. Yeah, they love Mama. Hello, love. Daddy's going to be probably showing the whole wide world when your foot gets healed, Dorothy. Yeah. If the Lord wants me to show everybody, if he wants me not to say anything, I won't. Yeah. Oh, Dorothy's so pretty and sweet, Mama. Hello, girls. Where's that big old rooster boy at? You're supposed to be crowing right now. Woody Woodpecker, Cricket, whatever Mama calls you. Yeah. My love, that's what y'all are. Y'all my love. Each one of you babies are my loves. I ain't picked up none of them yet. I haven't picked up any of them yet, should I say.
Really?
No, I've been sitting there getting some videos of them, Mama. Playing and frolicking and having fun and being themselves with their Mama. Hello, little man. I don't know which one's which. They all look basically the same except for, the breeds or whatever they are. Hello, loves. How's Daddy's girls? Are you girls ready for Daddy's love? Daddy's ready for his girls' love. Cause y'all so sweet. Yeah, my little rooster there. He looks so sweet, mother. He don't even look like a rooster. He looks so tender and young. He looks like he might be the youngest. I don't know how he grows so big to be such a little bitty fella. He's the light color one, isn't he? He's so sweet. Dorothy, you know you're my love, right? You know you're my beautiful love, right? Daddy gonna come get you in a little bit and take you in there with Daddy. Yeah, take you in there with Daddy. You girls over there doing good? Y'all behind Mama? Oh, look at him, Mama.
They love me.
That's him, all right. Yeah, I'm catching him roosting or whatever he's doing. Roosting. It's funny. Oh, little loves. I don't know which one. He's scattered, I think. I don't even know who's who now. I guess I better get him. Because if I don't, I'm not going to have the energy left to get anything. Bard Rock. Yeah, my little loves. You girls, Daddy's baby. Wind up dropping that phone and kill them all. Oh, my luck. Daddy's gonna turn the phone off now, girl, so he can get your babies out and love you, okay? Bye-bye.